Children in lab number 8, happy to create. We scavenge through crates for tracks to mutilate. Hackatoons have a beat that we duplicate. Play some keys, boost the bass, add a groovy break. Have a cool debate, kick back, communicate. Grab the pen, the pad, do sick raps, exuberate. Accumulate, stack, enumerate tracks. Quality over quantity that you can play back. Fans be feeling for music ASAP. We be feeling to play wherever you be based at. Psyched up to see you motherfuckers hyped up. Yo, we can turn this mic up. Cause we been trapped in the lab, getting no sun. Banging on pads till fingers go numb. Been rapping on tracks and bit my own tongue. But don't worry, son,
I get the job done.
If the rain is pouring,
I get the job done.
If I'm drunk and falling,
I get the job done.
Till the early morning,
I get the job done.
We gon' keep on touring, stage keeps calling. If the rain is pouring,
I get the job
if
done.
I'm drunk and falling,
I get the job
till
done.
the early morning,
I get the job
we
done.
gon' keep on touring, stage keeps calling. Stuffing teas in the case, we leaving for 3 days. We'll eat junk, get drunk, speed on the freeways. Sleep, change positions on a seat when our feet ache. Scream, wait, I need to take a leak for peace sake. We keep driving, life is just a waste. We arrive the venues late and set up like we get a race. I checked up, mic, then I exit the stage. I am in a strange state, I'm like a lion in a cage. Sipping liquor in the quiet and calm, puffing cigarettes until it's time to perform. Until they shut the lights and it's on. And if the light is the bomb, we're partying till 5 in the morning. If the rain is pouring,
I get the job
if
done.
I'm drunk and falling,
I get the job
till
done.
the early morning,
I get the job
we gon'
done.
keep on touring, stage keeps calling. If the rain is pouring,
I get the job
if I'm
done.
drunk and falling,
I get the job
till the
done.
early
I
morning,
get the job
we
done.
gon' keep on touring, stage keeps calling.
You can fail at what you don't want. So you might as well take a chance on doing what you love.
Bonjour, who thought that we would be from tours? To become the MC was seemingly unsure. I was a punk, y'all, dreaming was done for, but never thought we would be on tour, performing for people that want more, screaming out encore, feeling the fuck, beating the freaks at my front door. It's fucking wild, but I love it every day. We made our mothers proud just by having fun and getting paid. My homie Sean told me love what you do, but I know he right. Can't become a rapper overnight, flow one bright, go to open mics, learn to control the fright. Don't let no one out there on your life. One day you might hop in the van, travel all day, dash through traffic, get trapped in parkways. Get to play, meet fans and parlay, and chill at the bar for the after party. We wanna hop on a plane, dash a long way, sit above the clouds and travel all day. We can't wait to play, meet fans and parlay. Hope half of y'all stay for the after party. Wanna hop on a plane, sit above the clouds, hop on a plane, sit above the clouds, hop on a plane, sit above the clouds, senior year on his long pursuit. I helped my neighbor form for the youth. Changed my diagnosis, so join the group. Branded signs for corporate suits. Donated fortunes for the troops. Giving close to Pullman on the stoop. Bought them food, talked them, poured them soup. So my car to boot. Once and I pollute, I ain't forfeit. I face off with politicians and their fake cars. Create conflict. Got toilet paper with Donald Trump face on. Got faith in the future. Change coming soon. To change up the ugly, gray color gloom. Wake up the folk, ain't gonna fume. But in the meantime, ain't nothing new.
Change in the air, I feel change in the air. Change in the air, I feel change in the air. Change in the air, I feel change in the air. Change in the air, I feel change.
In the meantime, ain't nothing new. 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 In the meantime, ain't 1% refuse to share the slice. Treat us like we're foolish little mice. I keep telling you this isn't right. You think don't use the shit to fight. I can help the youth and give advice. They don't care, they're clueless living life. They know that the future isn't bright. No one wanna move an inch and fight. We can breathe and eat his garden. I need to say it doesn't seem alarming. They don't even wanna see the product money coming in, and so they keep ignoring. Afraid of the truth. I pray for the youth. Pray for someone to shake up the room. Who gives a fuck? Today what it do? Ain't nothing changed. Ain't nothing new.
Change in the air, where's the change in the air? Change in the air, where's the change in the air? Change in the air, where's the change in the air? Change in the air, where's the change?
In the meantime, ain't nothing new. 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 Why should I get mad, explode, and erupt? Everybody else don't give a fuck. I see the bum take a dough from his cup and go give it to the dope. Finish drunk, I'm giving up, and others gotta get my loot. Y'all ain't helping me, I'm tired of helping you. Why recycle when governments pollute? Rents can't prevent the country getting new. I'm just an ant in an anthill. Plenty wounds that I can't heal. Man's nature, maybe man's ill. Why should I have to feel the damn guilt? So much shit going on, I refuse to get so involved. People won't care, shit won't get solved. It ain't on me if shit don't evolve. Shit don't evolve, 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 shit don't evolve.
Won't be no changes, no change in the air. If you don't move with me, then why should I care? Won't be no changes, no change in the air. They just sit back and stare, they just sit back and stare. Won't be no changes, no change in the air. If you don't move with me, then why should I care? Won't be no changes, no change in the air. I just sit back and stare, cause we're going nowhere. I just sit back and stare, cause we're going nowhere.
Je suis le peintre assis devant sa toile qui n'a jamais peint ce qu'il voit. Le voile s'envole et puis nous dévoile. Ce soir mes sombres étoiles, c'était l'hiver quand nous fûmes proches de notre amour posthume. L'écume blanche comme si neigeait des plumes. Elle avait la beauté de l'ange déchu, de son piédestal, des atrophies, des deux membres, des rétrices dorsales, que parfois Dieu sanglotait, elle qui me parlait plus, me dit cueillir des plumes. Il fait si froid sur Neptune, moi craignant tant qu'elle s'enrhume, j'ai construit un funiculaire ridicule, l'air de rien, je détachais les enclumes, m'envolais à travers la brume pour aller lui cueillir des plumes. Mais j'avais tellement le vertige, m'encourageais l'air naïf, que de l'autre côté de la dune s'élevaient des rangées de bulles, quand bien même je tombais, je pourrais m'accrocher à la lune pour aller lui cueillir des plumes. Attaqué par des harpies qui pourchassent les impies, à croire que ma présence les importune. Elles hurlent d'oublier mon aimé qui n'est plus qu'un ange damné et me voler dans les plumes. J'atterris sur la surface d'une prairie de nuages, des jardins suspendus par aucune ficelle, les anges gardiens partis des portes du paradis. Alors j'en escalade une. Je me sens pris de court, je saute et je cours, je vois dans la cour jouer deux amours, attrape une brune, me arrache les plumes, les enfuis dans mon sac et m'enfuis vers le parc. Les éclairs qui fuient sont des tasers divins, j'entends derrière moi, il est là haut les mains, appelle Gabriel, Pierre et Séraphin, il a tourné au coin. Sur des voies impénétrables, bien valpé, t'as la misère mon pote et la miséricorde que les anges oublient, que le diable m'emporte, celui-là jamais là quand on a besoin de lui. Y'a que Cupidon qui a un arc et des flèches, les autres ont des haches et puis des arbalètes. Je le vois, il est là dans l'arbre, arrête. Un ange passe du créateur créature, la branche casse et l'on me capture à terre. Pourquoi tu voles à nos mômes les duvets de leurs ailes? J'explique en 2 mots pour une demoiselle. Et tu crois que c'est pour ça qu'elle t'aime? Les humains d'où tu viens sont de vrais phénomènes. Vous êtes téléguidés que par des phéromones. Me donne un oreiller qui est rempli de plumage et me dit qu'ériller la rancœur du dommage. Que mon amour est dead et propose qu'on se mette une race honorable. Mais si ça peut te rasséréner, viens dans les bars, on va boire des 3 monts. Comme au festin de bal, embrasser les démons. Et j'allais payer les whisky Chivas au patron bande qui s'était assis là, à côté du ventilateur. En un clin d'œil de ce cyclope, je comprends que dans l'œil de ce cyclone, il compte déverser ma fortune. Et c'est depuis 7 ans de ces anges sans rancune que sur terre il neige des plumes.